Hi, just wanted to go over with you how we can whitelist phone numbers so they are no longer are clickable and activate or initiate a phone call or activate the RingDNA extension. So you can see I'm in the back end here. And if I go into RingDNA settings, you'll see there is this box here, this click to call domain blacklists. So this is what we want to type in. Hopefully there is a URL where we are creating these quotes or creating these sort of documents, and now we can indicate to our platform that we want to block the phone numbers as a hyperlink on any of these websites. So if you can try adding any of those domains to this click to call domain blacklist, so you can say it's create a list of domains or subdomains where the click to call functionality should be disabled. So hopefully that works. Please let me know, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.